Okay, guys, I have another haul. I don't remember what it is, but oh my god, I'm excited about it. And I don't know. I think it's bubble bubble. What could it be? Why? We're getting we're getting there. Oh yeah, I'm excited about this one. It's called Nightly Moon. This bottle is everything. It reminds me of the movie Stardust, one of my favorites with Danes and Michelle Pfeiffer. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it. Perfumes, 100 milliliters. I don't know. It's just called Nightly Noon or Nightly Moon. You guys, I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I possibly can to sound smart. You all know the truth. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Okay. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Oh, she is a beaut. Okay. Oh my gosh, it even has a little mirror. Look. 46.95 even on eBay. So it says it is a floral fruity gourmand fragrance for women. This is a new fragrance. Yep. Nightly Moon was launched in 2025. Top notes are coconut, apricot, which I'm not so sure about because I don't like apricot, almond, peach, and lemon. Middle notes are tuberose, jasmine, rose, and orange. Base notes are vanilla, caramel, tonka, and musk. This one's a high, maybe I might have just got it for the bottle type scent. I don't know. But look at how beautiful she is. Like, this is even etched. Like, it is beautiful. Let's see, though. This is one of the newer ones that I have. I'm about to rip this weave and cut it into shreds. I just feel something I shouldn't feel about it. Oh my god, that's good. Oh my god. I need to give things a chance. God, I could eat it. And it's not even gourmand, but it's sweet. This is considered a gourmand, I'm sure of it. But I can't even tell you what it smells like. It just smells good. It smells yummy. But it's sophisticated. You can wear this. I would definitely wear this to a wedding, to work. That is so good. I smell expensive. Oh my god. I'm going to still spray her out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do that automatically. And it is true that it does help with like the maceration of the scent. But you don't have to spray it out every 2 weeks. You just let it sit. You spray it on your skin, see where it's at. And I'm telling you, as the scent ages, especially if it has vanilla, you'll see it get darker. It ages it, and it really it brings out the best in, well, I'm talking Middle Eastern fragrances, but I feel like it's probably like that for a lot of them that have vanilla. Like, let it sit in like a dark place. And you guys, this is like, if you've seen the movie Stardust with Claire Danes, this is that scent. This signifies Stardust on all levels, and it's heaven. It is really good. How much was it on Temu? So it's 99. You can't, this is newer. Like I said, you can't. And the thing is, with like the political stuff going on, if you want a Middle Eastern fragrance, get it now because it's going to get harder. Even like European countries have a harder time getting it. It's like the political, whatever's going on is making it harder for us to get those Middle Eastern affordable, great products. And I don't want that to be a problem because those are my favorite ones. And I will literally be, I'm not going to get angry, but I will. Don't take away my Middle Eastern fragrances. Don't do it because, hold on a minute. I wanted to see the reviews on this though, but there isn't any reviews that I have seen anyway. I want to read what other people think of it. Oh wait, there are. Hold on. No, there's not. Black caviar. They have a caviar one. Okay, I didn't read this part. Nightly Moon is a sweet floral fragrance for women that combines gourmand nuances with luminous white florals, which usually, you guys, I do not like white florals. The composition opens with a fruity citrus blend of lemon, peach, and apricot. Scented by creamy almond and coconut. The heart centers on classic white floral notes, where orange blossom, thank God, jasmine, tuberose, and rose create a rich feminine bouquet. In the base, Nightly Moon turns warmer and more indulgent, with vanilla, tonka bean, and caramel, providing a soft dessert-like sweetness supported by a veil of musk. The result is a fragrance that moves from bright and fruity to floral and comforting, with a pronounced sweet gourmand character. You guys, that is exactly right. Like it is nice. It has character, and it's like that it girl. Like, you're going to smell me enter the room and you're going to love it, because let me tell you, it is a good one. And I still have not told you the price on Temu. It was one of the more expensive, but like I said, you can't get it on Amazon. Did I say how much I paid for it already? No. Yeah, I paid more for this one. It was $70. It was $69.30. But let me say something. This is one of those, and I don't usually spend that much on a perfume, that is worth it. You'll go for this. It is, I would say it absolutely is worth that price. But you're going to pay $20 more anywhere else. At least $20 more. Do I think it's a safe blind buy? No. Only because I have a feeling it depends on your DNA. It's going to smell so super different on everyone that it comes in contact with. And with the almond and the florals, that's not usually something I would go towards, but I think it's because it's like the citrus and fruity with it, with the florals that make it like brighter. And then, like I said, the dry down is comfort, like that warm, but it's still bright enough to be used in spring and summer. But this, you will smell like an expensive lady with this. Like this, they could charge $400 or $500 for. Yeah, there was a lot of thought put into this. This is a good one. And it even has like, let me show you the little diamond things, or you guys, it's just one of those. And now, would I ever pay for like the luxury perfumes? No, because they always have a dupe for it or an inspired fragrance that sometimes is even better. I'm not going to pay $400 for a perfume. Just not going to do it. I don't need that label to feel expensive or pretty, and I refuse to pay that. Now, if I get that expensive $400 perfume from like Macari, and I can guarantee it's real for like half the price or less than half, I'll think about it. But even that, like $200, even $100 is like more than I would like to spend on a fragrance. But this is way different than anything I would normally go for. But that dry down is like so good. So good. I'm telling you, you'll be that it girl. This is like date night perfume. I would wear this in caution at work, because when you wear a lot of florals, people can have adverse reactions to it. If you work in the ER, no, you can't wear this. If you work in a doctor's office, no, you can't wear that. Any medical field, no, you can't wear that. Dental, no. Date night, wedding, weekend, yeah. Leave this for those when you want to be the it girl. You want everybody looking at you. You want that fragrance this is going to project. This is beast mode. People are going to smell you before you get in the room. And they're like, wow. And then they're going to see you and like put it together like, damn, you guys, that smells so good. And I still, even on the dry down, smell the florals, which normally I'd be like, nope, I can't do this. But it's got that tonka. Like I said, I love that tonka. If it has tonka in it, it makes it more of like a creamier rose or a creamier jasmine. Now, the only white floral I like is the orange blossom and jasmine. Those two don't give me a migraine. Now, a lot of people, it might, but it doesn't give me a migraine. And I feel like, especially if it's not strong in the dry down, if those white florals stuck around heavy for the whole, personality of the fragrance, I probably couldn't wear it, even this one. But it dries down to that warm tonka, like a little bit of floral. but it's really, really good. But I would be careful wearing this in a medical environment. Leave this for date night because people are going to want to come closer too. As it dries down, it goes into that warm, milky, like not lactonic, but like creamy. It's really good. You guys, I can't say enough about that one. I didn't have high hopes for that. I just wanted to try it because it was newer. I've seen what was said about it, and I wanted an It Girl fragrance that stood out that was beast mode. Beast mode is not what attracts what I go for. I like the scents that project a little bit, but want to bring people in, not like keep you at a distance. You know what I mean? I want people to be like, ooh, what is that smell? And then come closer. It's funny, especially in Dollar Tree when there'll be especially a guy around me. I'm like, they're smelling me because I smell like cotton candy. There's something comforting about that whole thing. It brings people back. It puts a smile on their face, especially bubblegum. But this, date night. I'm going to save it for date night because it is more expensive for me. That's going to be a date night. Oh my God. I'm in love, you guys. That is like wedding day fragrance. It smells so good. Don't overspray that one though. Please don't. You'll give yourself a headache and everybody else around you a headache because it is beast mode. Beast mode, you don't want to do that with. You'll really piss some people off. You'll piss yourself off. But yeah, it's worth it. The box, you guys, it's beautiful. This would be a good one to get your wife for Mother's Day. If she likes that kind of scent profile, it's a good Mother's Day scent. Think about it. For real. It's a beautiful fragrance. Done very well. And it's a newer one I finally got my hands on. So thank you guys for being here for that. I know it's a 20-minute video, but like fragrances, I tend to spend more time on because it brings me happiness and joy to talk about it. And the scents just it gives me like goosebumps. Look at that. Like it just does something. It can take my mood from very bad to very good, very fast. And if you project that onto other people, oh my gosh, it can be life-changing for a lot of people. But anyway, thank you for being here. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you're aware of when I go lives. Check my lives at the end of the day so you can see what I bought or what I got up to. This is the best deal you're going to get on that fragrance. I looked. Temu, it's harder for me to want to tag Temu in AliExpress because if something happened and you got a different seller or something, I'd feel bad about it. Even though some things I can't link because Temu is weird about that. I need to become an affiliate with Temu, first of all, because as much stuff as I haul for them. But anyway, it's a great scent and thank you for being here. Make sure you're still subscribed. Thumbs up this video, hype it. And I will see you guys so soon. And watch Stardust with Claire Danes and Michelle Pfeiffer. Watch it. It's such a beautiful movie. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.